Hello, lovelies. Welcome back once again to another new update. So today we are preparing our starchy and chewy plantain. Yes, brody as soon. Ghanaians love this recipe so much. So we have here our plantain. So I'm peeling off the peels of the plantain, and this is how I made it. First, I didn't wash this plantain. I peeled this in two ways. The one you peel without putting in water. Yeah, so you can see with this recipe I'm really suffering with the peeling of the plantain. So with this first step, after me peeling off the peels of the plantain, I'm going to scrape off the cover from it. Yes, if you do the plantain this way, this means you are going to use it to prepare your ampesi, yes, your brod3 ampesi. So I cut the ends of the plantain and I divide this into two. Then I'll wash it in the water to remove all the peels that I scraped from. So this is the second method of peeling of the plantain. So you can see with this method, as I place it in water, it was so simple and easy for me to peel off the cover from it. So simple. So you can try this. I think this is the easy one. So I found this second method so easy and simple. So after me peeling and scraping off the peels from it, I divide this into two because it was so small. So as you can see, I placed this also in water, and it was so simple to bring out the peels from it. So repeating the same process of me scraping off the peels of the plantain, this is to make it soon. Yes, the brod3 will soon. It will be so chewy, and this will make it so presentable. So you can see for this plantain it's so big, so I divided it into two, and I divided the two also into again because it was so big, so that it will cook among the rest easily. You can do yours this way if you have them mixed. So it's ready and set now. So I'm going to put this on fire, and I need to add some salt, enough salt to taste. And I'm going to do my ebom, yes, nyadua ebom, with my garden eggs. And I placed some garden eggs and some pepper on fire on top of the plantain, and I cooked my egg in this as well. So as this is ready on fire, I'm going to pour in enough water for it to soon. So I'll let this boil for like 5 minutes, and after I'll drain the water, and after draining the water I'll add more water into it and leave this to sit for a while. Then as that is going on, my tomato, kako, and some abane is on fire for my nyadua ebom, and my egg is in it also. So as you can see, I'm going to grind my ebom in my earthenware, yes, my asanka. So with some small chopped onion, some pepper, and some granules, yes, some peanut, I grinded all together in my earthenware, and I added the garden eggs onto it and the pepper, and I grind this also together. Charlie bet me this is going to be so nice. Yes, I'm going to eat this alone, so it won't be enough. And after I added my cooked tomatoes, yes, I boiled this, so I added it up and mashed this also in my earthenware. Trust me, this is so nice. So with my oil on fire, I placed some salmon and some ketasku boys. Please give me the English name for the ketasku boys. Yes, so after that was getting ready, and I added some chopped onions to it. Frying your fishes in your oil is so nice than cooking it. So I used the stock from the kako that I have on fire, and I poured in the water in my ebom. Yes, it is so nice because I had some little salt in it. So after when I tasted it and it wasn't okay, I added a little salt to it. This ebom is going to be so nice and tasty. And this and everything is set ready, I poured my oil, yeah, my palm oil and the fishes in my ebom. And you can't forget to eat your plantain without your pear. Yes, this is payanku, and you see I have some eggs in this, so it's ready to go. Try this simple recipe, and it's so easy. Join me to eat my brod3, yes, plantain with some payanku. So here is more stew to go with your chewy plantain. Yes, brod3. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorials. Please give your girl a thumbs up. It's bye bye for now.